In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload resume on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your resume is ready whenever you want to apply for roles on the platform. First, open your web browser and go to www.glassdoor.com. Give the page a second to load fully so all the menus appear correctly. If you're using a desktop, everything will be in the top navigation. On mobile, the same options are available, but they may be inside the menu icon. Next, click Sign In. You'll find this in the top right corner of the homepage. Signing in ensures your resume is linked to your account, which makes applying to jobs much faster. If you already see your profile picture or initials in the top right, that means you're signed in and can move ahead. Now, open your profile. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. A small menu will open. From here, select either Profile or Account Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly based on updates, but both options take you to the area where your information is managed. Once you're in your account area, go to the Resume or Resumes section. You might see it as a tab, a sidebar option, or a clearly labeled link. This is where Glassdoor stores your documents, and it's the place you'll return to later if you want to replace or remove a file. When you see the option, click Upload Resume. Next, choose your file. Click the Choose File button, which will open your computer's file explorer. Navigate to where your resume is saved, select it, and confirm. Accepted formats are PDF, Doc, or DOCX. As a tip, PDF usually preserves your layout best, while Doc or DOCX is fine if you anticipate making quick edits. Finally, click Upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator while the file is being added to your account. Don't close the tab or navigate away until it finishes. Once it's done, you should see your resume listed in that section, often with the file name visible. If anything doesn't upload, double-check the file format, make sure the file name is simple and clear, and confirm you have a stable internet connection. And that's it. You've uploaded your resume on Glassdoor, making it easier and faster to apply to jobs. If you want to update it later, return to the same section and upload a new version to keep your profile current. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.